For sale, 2013 Freightliner M2 fuel, lube truck. Powered by a Detroit DD13 engine, delivering 350 horsepower with 12.8-liter displacement, paired with an Eaton-Fuller FR-13210B 10-speed manual transmission, this heavy-duty truck is built to perform. With a GVWR of 58,000 pounds, a 228-inch wheelbase, and a tandem axle configuration rated at 18,000 pounds front and 40,000 pounds rear, it is equipped for demanding workloads. The Airliner suspension, double frame, differential lock, and engine brake further enhance durability and reliability. Designed specifically as a fuel and lube truck, it features a 1,500-gallon fuel tank, a 1.5-inch fuel dispensing hose with reel, and a Lincoln analog dispensing meter. Additional onboard equipment includes a quick connect refill hookup for fuel and oil products, one 350-gallon oil product tank, two 120-gallon oil product tanks, and a 220-gallon waste oil tank. It also comes with a waste oil recovery system with a 2-inch hose, a grease drum with Graco pumps, metered dispensing guns, and an air compressor with hose and reel. For added convenience, the truck is fitted with a large parts cabinet, underbody toolboxes, and a waste filter cabinet. With only one owner and fleet-maintained history, this unit comes with a clean Carfax report showing extensive service records. Finished in white with a gray interior, it has been meticulously cared for and is in immaculate condition. This truck is fully equipped and work-ready, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable fuel and lube service truck.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.